Hey guys, if you want to see how I DIY my table and created this beautiful artwork, which I'm calling a labor of love, stay tuned. Well, we started with painting my table and I painted it a champagne gold. I used Rust-Oleum champagne gold paint and I got glass and mirror and cut it and distress the mirror, and this is what the legs are looking like. This is my table legs, and what you're seeing in the distance there, this is the china cabinet. Two different company, two different pieces. I wanted to make them look cohesive, so I went ahead and put mirror in these little cutouts in my china cabinet. What you seen in the distance is my table leaf, and that's in the champagne gold. I also put gold leaf to make silver leaf to make that design. So this is what my place was looking like before. I also changed out my light fixture and took one from another room. So now I'm showing you, if you didn't see my previous videos, is how I use curtain. I got my curtain hangs like 95 inches, but I use 108 curtains in my space. So I'm showing you the distress look. At this angle, it's not doing it justice, but believe me, it is pretty. And I also did the distress glass, cut glass, and mirror and put in there. I have videos of doing that. This is the mirror also that I cut and put them in the table, around the table. And I just wanted something different. I see mirror furniture out there, and I'm really not a fan of the plain mirror. I wanted that old antique look. I even cut some mirror and put it to the edge of my table, that on the wooden side, and then I framed it out with small pieces of wood. So this is what the mirror would have looked like. And then I went ahead and stripped the back of it and then sprayed the gold, stripped it, distressed it, and sprayed the gold that I wanted it to be. So this is a piece that I didn't use. And this is what it looks like from the pieces that was cut from not distressed to distress. And I absolutely love it. I drew this design on the table and then gold leaf it. And every joint of my cutout with my mirror, I use silver leaf to sort of make it look like a clean, fresh look. So the final reveal of the table, here it is. I absolutely love it. I'm calling it a labor of love because it kind of took me a while because, my space and somebody had messed it up. I ain't gonna call no names. My husband messed up the table, so I had to scrape it down and do it all over again. But nevertheless, I was determined, and this is what it looks like. This is the china cabinet. I cut mirror, also distress it and use it in that area there also. This is a piece that I did not distress yet, but I peeled off the gray backing from it. I just absolutely love it. You know how sometimes you could be a perfectionist? I could have left it like that, but I went ahead and stripped the table down wherever I saw little mistakes. Right here is mirror that I cut and distressed, and I am going to put it in this area also. That's another project for another day. These mirrored knobs, I got them from Home Goods maybe about 4 years ago. And I also, if you can see the top of the china cabinet right there where the doors are, those are glass mirrors too. And this is how everything is looking. Guys, I see gold as a neutral. It is a color. I consider it a color, and I'm using it as a neutral. And I'm gonna show you putting a tablescape together how me having the mixed metals, the gold and the silver, does not inhibit the look from coming together. So my room is a circular room, and no, I'm not going to go buy another table just to fit this room. My table is perfectly good because they don't make furniture like they used to. This angle cabinet that I'm showing you on the other side to the kitchen, that is for stemwares. And this is how it's looking. I just absolutely love it. That's the door to go out on the deck, actually the patio. This is the room right across from my breakfast nook. This is the piece of furniture that I also finished. That was my husband's office credenza, and he used that in his conference room. But I know when he closed his office, I wanted it because it was a great piece. I added the legs to it, and I built the drawer myself and lift the piece up on fence posts. The legs is made out of fence posts. I also distress mirror, and I use this frame in here. I got it from Lowe's, and it's in the decorative wood section. This is what it came looking like, plain wood. Don't mind my hand, it's a work in progress because I'm always working. And this is the other side of it. I have the chair there so I couldn't show you well. As you see, I still have my sewing machine out. I am sewing today. I just have a lot going. And this is the piece. Now, this is a runner that I purchased about a week ago from Ross Stores. They were $9.99. And I find that was very fitting because of the color that I'm using this year. This is a mirror. I purchased it. It was black. When I purchased it, it was black. I tried to distress it also. You could see a little distress going on, but I wasn't able to. I was scared of pulling off the mirror and breaking it. This right here was also a DIY. It was a lamp base. I also have a video for that one, a lamp base that I used to make a vase because I wanted that gaudy looking antique gold. These two candle stands here, I thrifted them at different times from a thrift store, and I absolutely love them. Wish I could find some more. And let me put a small look together and show you how your that champagne gold could be neutral. And I added these placemats right here. I got them from Home Goods maybe about 4 years ago. I also have the silver one to it, but I'm going to mix metals today again. It's just like how I did my table. So I also going to add these chargers right here. They are embossed leather and like a croc finish. I'm showing you the silver ones that I have to these mats, and it will be still perfect for the space. I just really love that paint. And here are the chargers, and I'm showing you that I protect my chargers just like how I buy them. I keep them in the protective sleeves, and this is how it is looking. I'm just loving the look. Love the look. And this is how it looks. I'm gonna add a little bit of, add some plates to it and just show you how I'm tying the both rooms together to make it look a bit cohesive. And again, I'm doing this look to show you that mixing your metals is cute. Hey, Wani. So it's an inside joke. She will get it. And this is the way it looked like I forget to put one of the chargers on the table. I'll eventually do it. This is a DIY that I have coming up for you guys with the crosses on the candle. Easy DIY. These are some plates that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just put them there just to show you how it doesn't cause the table to look any busy because I put the design on it. The design that I put on the table, I also carried the design onto my buffet. Office furniture, no buffet. And guys, I'm just loving the look. Love. And I put the chairs to the side. I am not going to upholster those chairs. I am going to find some new chairs. So this is the look for the long awaited reveal of this table and the breakfast room. Guys, if you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. Tell me how you think I did. Did she do good? She did that? Did she? Let her know how she doing in the comment section. Again, this is my look, my DIY table. I'm going to put in clippings of what it looked like before. So go ahead and just enjoy the music. Bye for now.